Shots fired at a Memphis police helicopter land one man in jail. Devion Green is accused of also breaking into at least two businesses. Fox 13's Jeremy Pierre breaks down how investigators linked Green to several other crimes.
It's a bizarre and extremely bold act that got captured on cell phone video, eventually posted on Instagram, showing Devion Green shooting 3 times at an MPD helicopter. That video since taken down off of Instagram. However, surveillance video captured Green and several others throwing rocks and shooting into Mid-America Pawn Shop on Park last week. Now, before that violent act, according to an affidavit, it explains how Green and those several other men attempted to break in several other businesses in Whitehaven. Police say Green used his aunt's truck in both crimes. Investigators say not only did they have video of these violent acts, but also they located evidence in the truck that linked Green to both crimes. Green is facing a plethora of charges that include vandalism, theft, and burglary. The more severe charges of them all is attempted second-degree murder. I'm reporting here on North Main, Jeremy Pierre, Fox 13 News.